Hello, my dear students. Hope you all are fine and safe at home and enjoying the online classes. This is Shweta Srivastav here with you with a new chapter, chapter number 8, Fun with Family and Friends. Now, in this chapter, we will come through the following points: recreation, indoor games, and outdoor games. First of all, we come through the first topic, that is recreation. We get tired after a day's work, so we need some change. And for this, we need to do those activities that help us to refresh ourselves. So, recreation means those activities that help us to refresh ourselves. Small children love to refresh themselves by going to the park and playing with their friends. Similarly, the elder ones also need to refresh themselves after doing a long work. Now, here we move to the next point: peers. Our friends or other children of our age with whom we spend time are called peers. You can see here on the screen there are some children who are enjoying the company of their friends, and their friends are of the same age group. Similarly, on the left hand side, you can see some of the people who are sitting together and they also belong to the same age group and enjoying the company of each other. So, they are called peers. Now, here comes the topic outdoor games. I think outdoor games, by the name, it's very clear to you all. Games that are played outside the house are called outdoor games. Whether it's cricket, whether it's basketball, football, lawn tennis, there are a list of games which comes in outdoor games. Along with lawn tennis, there is kho-kho, hockey, badminton, taekwondo, football. Okay. Some of the outdoor games like taekwondo, martial arts, kickboxing, karate, they they help us to keep ourselves safe in difficult situations. Now comes the third topic, that is indoor games. Yeah, here is the last topic, that is indoor games. Games that are played inside the house are called indoor games. Suppose when there is a heavy rainfall and in this coronavirus situation, you can see that people are staying at their home. Children are asked to play inside the house. So, how do they enjoy themselves? How do they refresh themselves after their studies? Yes, through indoor games. Indoor games could be many: carrom board, ludo, chess, etc. Apart from indoor games and outdoor games, there are other ways of enjoyment too. How could one enjoy other than enjoying with these games? Yes, we can plan for a picnic, we can go to the park, we can plan to go to zoo and see different kinds of animals. We can plan to go to the circus. Okay, so on holidays and weekends, we go for picnic and have lots of fun with family and friends. Yes, we also go to park or zoo with family and friends. Do you love to go for picnic alone? No, nobody likes that. So we need the company of our friends and family while when we go for a picnic, when we plan for a picnic, or when we go to circus or zoo. In circus, we see the juggler, the joker, and many things like that. Okay. Now, we can't say that only these are the limited ways of enjoyment. No, there are other ways of enjoyment too. There are times when we sit together and read books together with our friends or family members, or sometimes alone, okay, and watch television. Yes, some like to watch television, some love to listen to music, some like to watch cartoons like you small children, okay. So these are the ways of enjoyment apart from the indoor games and outdoor games. Okay, now before winding up the chapter, I would like to discuss few of the points before you all. A brief review, you can say that. Okay, what is recreation? Yes, we get tired after our daily work, so we all need recreation. And now, what is it? Yes, recreation means those activities that help us to refresh ourselves. Do we have lots of fun with family and friends? Yes, we have lots of fun with them. Now, what is outdoor game? Outdoor games means those games which we play outside the house. For example, cricket, football, volleyball, etc. Similarly, indoor games, that are those games which are played inside the house, like Ludo, Carrom board, etc. Yes, on holidays or on weekends, we plan to go for a picnic or zoo, or we enjoy the company of our friends and family members going to the park. So these are the other ways of enjoyment other than playing games. Okay, now students, uh, please go through this video and enjoy the video. Along with this, I'm sharing the PDF of the chapter for those students who are not having the books with them. So please go through this chapter and read this chapter 2 to 3 times, understand the chapter. In the next online classes through Microsoft Teams, we teachers will be discussing the chapter with you all, and after that we'll be giving you the exercises. So please do those exercises in your EVS notebooks. If you're not having the books, go through the chapter and write those exercises in your rough notebooks. As soon as the books will be available to you all, notebooks will be available to you all, please write the exercises in the notebooks. Thank you.